Welcome to Statewide Bail Bonds. Today, we're breaking down the essentials of how to bail someone out of jail quickly and efficiently. Bail is a financial guarantee to ensure the defendant appears in court. If they don't, the bail is forfeited. The judge sets the bail amount during a hearing, considering factors like the charges, community ties, and the defendant's criminal history. There are several types of bail. 1. Cash bail, paying the full amount in cash. 2. Surety bond, hiring a bail bondsman to post bail for a fee. 3. Property bond, using real estate as collateral. 4. Release on own recognizance, or ROR, release without financial obligation, based on the defendant's promise to appear in court. To bail someone out, you'll need the defendant's full name and date of birth, the jail where they are held, their booking number, the charges against them, and the bail amount set by the judge. If you're paying cash bail, bring the total amount in cash, cashier's check, or money order. Once payment and necessary documentation are provided, the defendant is released. If they appear in court as required, you'll get the bail amount back, minus any court fees. Can't afford the full bail? Consider hiring a bail bondsman. They charge a non-refundable fee, usually 10 to 15% of the bail amount. You'll need to provide the defendant's information and sign a contract. You can also use property as collateral. Provide proof of ownership and value. The court will place a lien on the property, which may be seized if the defendant doesn't appear in court. When using a bail bondsman, you might need to co-sign the agreement. This means you're responsible if the defendant fails to appear in court, so understand the risks before signing. In some cases, a judge may release the defendant on their own recognizance, commonly referred to as ROR. This means no bail is required, but the defendant must promise to attend all court dates. Once bail is posted, arrange transportation for the defendant and ensure they understand any conditions of their release. Keep track of all court dates and help them stay organized. Bailing someone out of jail can be stressful, but knowing the process makes it easier. At Statewide Bail Bonds, we're here to help. Contact us with any questions or for assistance throughout the bail process. Stay informed, stay confident. Thanks for watching. Visit our website for more information.